Hello, beautiful. This is Jennifer Hadley, and our prayer for today is for miraculous relationship repair. Oh, let's place our hand on our heart and be so grateful and thankful that prayer works. So grateful and thankful that all are one. Grateful and thankful to partner up with the higher Holy Spirit self and wholeheartedly call for miraculous relationship repair. We are grateful and thankful to recognize that there is just one relationship. It is the one relationship that God is having with itself by means of us. We are grateful that the one relationship is always in perfect order. So we are grateful to call forth a miraculous healing in our mind of any thought that the relationships that we have are in any way out of repair. We are grateful and thankful to call forth miraculous healing at the level of the mind, translating into perfect relationship healing. We are grateful and thankful to lay on the holy altar fire of divine love all resistance, all reluctance, all resentment and regret, all guilt, blame, and shame. All that is false falls away in the face of our prayer for miraculous relationship repair. We are grateful and thankful to hold the light of truth for our loved ones and all our relations. We are grateful and thankful to recognize that the perfect love of God is shining forth in all of our relationships. We are grateful and thankful to make it known, to see it, to feel it, to experience it. We are grateful and thankful that the natural state of things is perfection. So we're grateful to give all illusions and delusions to the Holy Spirit for healing. We're grateful and thankful that we don't have to figure it out or make it happen. We're calling forth miraculous relationship repair. And so we share the benefits of our healing with all beings because we are related to them and we're one with them. We are grateful and thankful to accept and allow this healing on behalf of all. In gratitude, we let it be. We know that it's done, and so it is. Amen, amen, amen.